Hi. So today I want to just show you how to make your code to look better, if you can see so. And let's see this game. I I did not make this game actually, and it's very simple, very nice. You see here we got the main file of the project that is called Game 20. These are a series of games made by this guy here, and let's run it. Let's start it. You see there is this maze where you have to move this character, and you see here that imports from modules import everything. Into modules we got this misc.py function, and you see here that it starts everything, initialize the mixer, the fonts, etc. in pygame, set the screen mode, and then goes into this interface class that is in this file here, misc. And as you can see here, this interface got three game mode. So we got the initial window here, where you have these two buttons, start and quit. With this one you quit, with this one you start, and you also have another state when you finish when you click play here, when you click start, you will when you quit, this is the way to make the button here with this function. With this function button, it should be not in capital letter here. It should be, because it's not a class, so I prefer it into with this. Okay, so we get this two buttons, start and quit, and then when we press it, this one, it goes back to, it returns true or false, doesn't matter. So it returns back to the code, and we'll go into this other while loop where we got the actual code of the game, and so you move your player, etc. And when you end, so when it reaches the goal here, it will break the loop, and we'll go here and go into interface screen and in mode game switch. So it will go into another window that will let you choose among the next, to go to the next level or to quit. So it essentially restarts the game or quits. So, and when it when the game ends, and I don't know when the game ends eventually, you can hit restart or quit. So I thought this got very similar code, as you can see here. And it's everything, it's the same. The only thing that is different is the name of the first button, that is next or restart instead of start. So I thought to make it's not useful to get all this code that it's the same. So I decided to put all my buttons here in just one, to avoid doing if game start here or elif mode game switch. You see here that it goes in game switch here when you finish the game, and to go in game end and have the same code. So I decided to go here to put this if game start, not here but here. To put this one a little bit here, to copy this and to call this one next, and this one restart. that are the only things that changes when the mode is different. So I bring this one here and this one here. Okay. And then this other stuff there, it's the same. I deleted them, just leave this else here. So let me change the name button here, because I changed it the name before. And so, okay, this is pretty much everything. And okay, and that's pretty much everything. So you see here, the code is much cleaner here, less code. We don't have to write always the same code. Work perfectly fine, and see you next time.